Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Copilot in Outlook to summarize meetings automatically, full guide step by step clearly. To update Copilot in Outlook for automatic meeting summarization, start by opening your Outlook application. Ensure that you are connected to the internet. Navigate to the top left corner of Outlook and click on the File tab. In the drop-down menu, select Office Account. Look for the Update Options button. Click on Update Options and select Update Now. Allow Outlook to check for updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Once the update is complete, close the Update notification window. Next, return to the main Outlook interface. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Locate the Copilot icon, which may appear on the toolbar. If it is not visible, you may need to customize your ribbon by right-clicking the toolbar and selecting Customize the ribbon. Find the Copilot feature in the list and add it to your toolbar. With Copilot now accessible, schedule or open an upcoming meeting. During the meeting, initiate Copilot by clicking on the Copilot icon. Make sure to select the option for Automatically Summarize. Copilot will now generate a summary of your meeting notes in real time. Once the meeting concludes, review the automatically generated summary. You can edit the summary if needed before saving or sharing it. This feature enhances productivity by providing concise meeting insights efficiently. Make sure to check for any additional settings or preferences in the Copilot settings menu. Your Copilot is now updated and ready to assist with automatic meeting summarization. Regularly check for updates to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.